Yeah, we have a lot of blueberries and not much for the apple. See guys, oh, ang gaganda ng blueberry, oh. Ang gaganda, oh. Ang dami ng bunga, oh. Diba? Sarap mag-picking, oh. Ayan, oh. Too bad we cannot do picking long hours. We only have 10 minutes here. So we just gonna buy more. The big boxes. It's 12:50 already. And they are closing at 1 o'clock because of too hot weather, 100 degrees.
Oh my god.
Sarap, oh.
Mama. Not wrinkled and so much.
Let's go to the apple area. It's nice here. We will come back next time to do the picking here. Look at that, oh. The apple, oh, so many. Wow. Look at that, oh. See guys. Ang ganda. Hinog na kaya to. Pahingi isa. Uy. Crispy, oh. Nakakuha ng isa. Bumili na kami ng isang box na apple tsaka isang box na malaki na blueberries. So, ang dami, ang lalaki. Ayan, oh. Ang daming bunga, guys. So, super dami. Wow. Oh. Pag ako mag-picking nito, isang oras maka-isang sako ako ng apple. Yan, oh. Ang lalaki. So many blueberries here. Here guys, the apple that I did picking. To juice it. Sarap. I picked from the tree. In this apple farm. Look at so many around the. Those are all apples. Different variety of apples. There's dwarf apples and tall apples. See all of those. This is the apple that I picked from the tree, and we bought one box of apples and $10 because we come too late from the ocean, and it's only 10 minutes before they are closing because of the too hot weather for today. So like that. Also yummy and crispy. It's warm because it's hot outside. This is part of Oregon as well. It says Public Coast Farm, you pick. So this area is blueberry and apples farm.
Look at all the traffic.
So this area, the apple farm, is in Beronia, Oregon. Sarap. Sarap. It's crispy and crunchy, yum. And juicy, the apple. It's 1:30 in the afternoon now, and it's traffic. We're going back